folks, Joan Plisko, Community Sustainability Director at Pearlstone. Today we'll talk about trellises. Some plants such as peas or pole beans, cucumbers, are climbers. They require little space on the ground, but they need a trellis to climb on to be successful. To support climbing plants, I use both store-bought and homemade products. Here my peas are climbing up the wires surrounding this raised bed, and I've utilized an unfolded tomato cage to extend the height a bit. Today I'm here with my gardening partner and husband, Marc Plisko, and we are going to share with you our process for building a trellis for our cucumbers. Laid out before us are the sticks that we're going to use, and I'll ask Marc to tell you where they came from.
We recently trimmed a yew tree that we have in our side yard, and as a result of the trimming we have all of these wonderful long, mostly straight branches that we felt would be excellent to repurpose given the yew's durability in weather.
We're going to start by bringing 3 of the longest sticks together to make a tripod, which will be the foundation for our trellis.
I'm going to create this tripod using a simple method known as a tripod lash. It's a simple technique that's used in camping, outdoor use, and sometimes survival, and it's a very easy lash to make, and you can do it at home too. We start out by creating a knot on the center piece of our tripod, and we make sure that that is secure. And then with each of the 3 pieces next to each other, we just wrap it through almost like we're doing a braid. And we keep doing this, going over and under. So I've come over and under approximately 6 times. And now what I'm doing is I'm going across my wrappings and I'm creating what's called a cinch. And by pulling on this and threading through the opposite way, this is what makes our tripod tight and gives us the strength that we need. Now that I've tied off this lashing and made it secure, I'm going to pick up my tripod and we'll see what we got here. Now we have a simple tripod with a solid lashing at the top. It's strong and durable and will make an excellent base. Now that we have a foundation, we can add additional sticks to our trellis for all the tasty cucumbers that we'll have in the next couple weeks. Now I'm lashing the additional sticks onto the top of the trellis so that they're secure in the wind and the rain. And I'm just doing some simple knots with garden twine, making sure that everything is held together. Now I'm going to tie a length of string along the bottom of the trellis so that when the seedlings sprout, they have something to grab onto. I'm going to bring this string around each one of the trellis supports, and in order to keep it steady and to provide stability, I'm going to wrap it around each one of these. I'm going around the teepee, making sure that I'm spacing these out as I go, and the higher I go, the further I can space each row. Most importantly, we have to leave a little bit of space at the bottom.
So that's 1 long string from bottom to top. That Marc will tie off. Making a homemade trellis can be fun. See if you can find items around your house to repurpose to support your climbing plants. I've listed some items here that might be useful. Have fun!